Hello, welcome to this video from Beetexting. In this video, we'll be covering broadcast messages. We'll go over what broadcast messages are, how to create and send a broadcast message, as well as some features you can use in your broadcast message. Let's get started. Before you can begin to send any broadcast messages, you must have consent to text with your contacts. There are a few different kinds of consent depending on what kind of messaging you plan to implement. You can find our blog post, How to Get Consent to Text with Your Customers, in the description below. We also have a video available that you can find a link to in the description as well. Broadcast messages are mass messages sent through text to your opt-ins. These messages are sent to a large number of contacts, but are received individually to their phone numbers. Now, let's create a broadcast message. From within the Beetexting app, navigate to the left-hand side and click on Tools. Here, you should see the Broadcast menu. If not, navigate to the top row of options and click on Broadcast. From this menu, you can view upcoming, past, or drafts of other broadcast messages. Before we create our broadcast message, make sure you're working from the appropriate phone line, as broadcast messages are unique from line to line. Now, we'll click on Create Broadcast. From the Create Broadcast menu, we'll double check we're creating a broadcast for the correct line. And in the text box under 2, we can begin to build our list of tags that will receive our broadcast message. For this example, we'll use the tags Beetexting, Broadcast, Demo, and Beetexting, Broadcast More. After we populate our list of tags, we'll decide between more or less targeting. The more targeting setting means that in order to qualify to receive this broadcast message, a contact must have all of the listed tags applied to them. Less targeting means that a contact only needs one of the listed tags applied to them to qualify for the broadcast. You'll see as you choose between more or less targeting that the recipient count will dynamically update. Next, we'll title our broadcast. For this example, we'll title our broadcast Beetexting Broadcast Demo. Next, we'll enter the body of our broadcast message. Our message has several features you can use to engage with the recipients. You can personalize each message to start with the recipient's first name or business name. Here we'll type, "Hey," first name. "Thanks for using Beetexting." As part of your broadcast message, you can also attach files, add an emoji, or add a GIF, as well as using our request review feature, or adding your business V-card. Once we've completed entering the text for our broadcast, we can choose to send our broadcast now or schedule for later. We can also decide to make this broadcast recurring. Before we decide to send or schedule our broadcast, we can also choose to save our draft. For this example, we'll agree to the terms of use and click on Send Broadcast. And with that, we've just sent our broadcast message. I hope you've enjoyed this video on broadcast messages, and from everyone at Beetexting, thanks for watching.